Hello everyone, my name is Yuliya, I'm the product manager of Boyle company. I usually work with B2B companies and wholesalers all across the world. And the very common question is how to make your order and the shipment fast and cheap. In the next few minutes, I will explain how our packaging and shipment process works. At our warehouse, we pack all the iTabs and accessories in the same boxes, the size 40 on 60 on 40 centimeters, which is a full box of 35 iTab X and 20 iTab 2X. So this is our advice to fulfill the box when you are ordering. It will save you money on the shipment. The same box, 40 on 60 on 40 centimeters, fulfills 150 different accessories, which are recently packed in the same size of small boxes. Basically, this will be the clamp lock, the G-connector, and all the shanks and adapters. Our half-professional product, iTab Pro, is packed in the separate box, which sizes 26 on 30 on 70 centimeters. This is basically how everything is packed. All these boxes we can ship via different delivery companies. For example, we now work with DHL, TNT and UPS companies, but you can choose your own delivery company, which you prefer or you work with usually. So please feel free to mention it when you're ordering, and our manager will help you to find the best solution. We definitely can work Ex Works, and you can pick up all your orders from our warehouse without any problems. According to the packaging and the delivery terms, we advise to put all your big orders, which starts from 8 boxes, on the pallet. And in the pallet you will get the profit, the clear margin on 20,000 euros approximately, which is basically 100% margin on all the iTabs and accessories. In one box you will get about 2,000 euros profit. Many clients ask us about how to make the order more profitable. So my personal, professional, let's say, advice will be to order on every 2 boxes of iTabs or iTabs 2 to order 1 box full of accessories. Because the accessories, they are basically the most marginable product in our product line. We are thinking of our clients and we are searching for the best way to make your orders profitable, to make everything fast and to make you happy. So if you have any requests according to the shipment, please let us know. Thank you very much for your attention, and I want to ask you, follow our YouTube channel, send us likes, comments, and I wish you a happy day and a tasty beer. Bye bye.